The LokkBolt is a heavy-duty key-lockable drop bolt, which is an ideal security addition to any gate, but especially double drive gates. A specially designed retention groove means the LokkBolt won't drop, drag or bend. It retains its shape and strength and overcomes the annoying and unsightly problems of bolts dragging across driveways. This cleverly designed device is made of a tough moulded housing with a marine-grade stainless steel rod. It can be keyed alike to most house doors and is guaranteed 100% rust-free for life. One LokkBolt model is designed especially for fitting to vinyl gates and fences and comes in either black or white. Side-fixing legs provide extra strength to ensure sturdy installation and reliable operation on all styles of vinyl gates. The side-fixing legs also allow fast and convenient installation, as they provide immediate alignment on the corners of the vinyl material. LokkBolt is easy to install on wood, vinyl or metal gates.